eDubaiCart.com is a young and vibrant company based in UAE that aims to provide good quality branded products, high-tech electric products, gaming accessories, etc. Online. Intex Fitness Style Smartwatch. Reliability or style. Intex Fitness Smartwatch gives you both. Going through a huge range of new products popping up every single day. If you are left wondering, do I really need a smartwatch? You do. Though choosing a watch that fits your style and pocket can be a little tricky, as it's not just about the color and the size. Numerous factors like features, ease of use, compatibility, and price come into play. Features of Intex Fitness Style. 1 point for vision glass display. Square premium metal body. 7 days battery life. Sleep analysis technology SAT. Precise blood oximeter. 24/7 heart rate detector. Smart blood pressure measurement. 8 sports modes. Social alerts on the go. Customizable watch faces with 200+ options. You can log on to their website and check out the amazing deals that they offer.